Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glo-Mary, and on this channel I talk about everything beauty. You guys, I'm about to show you a disaster I called it tutorial. So I'm trying to make an eyeshadow tutorial for you guys, and a lot happened in this video. It's just 3 minutes video, but then it's not a joke. So yeah, that's just an eyeshadow primer I was applying there. It was when I was doing this tutorial that I know that it's a different ball game to know how to do makeup and to now know how to make a makeup tutorial. Oh Christ, it's a different ball game, it's a different lesson. So I'm using the darkest shade on my powder palette to give it a darker base or a dark base. Actually, I think the problem I had was I needed to open my eyes to see what I am doing. At the same time, I need to keep an eye on the camera and I need to keep an eye on the mirror. So everything is not just adjusting in my brain, like I couldn't handle it. You people will see how I was struggling in this video now. You will see it. You know that I don't get skip. But trust me, you are still going to learn one or two things like from this video if you like pay attention. But don't worry, I will improve. Oh. I will get better by fire by force. Everything that it takes. I need to know how to do this makeup tutorial. Like hairstyling tutorial is just so easy for me, honestly. Maybe I don't know. I don't even know why. But the fact that I'm doing something on my face and I need to use my eyes, God, that big. So really the concept of what I'm trying to achieve is to have like a darker shade on the side and something light on my inner corner, on the inner corner of my eyes. So as you can see, I have used darker eyeshadow. I use Naked. Actually, that eyeshadow is actually quite nice. I mean, I've been using it for a while and it's quite pigmented too. Yeah, so at this point I think I should have stopped, but somehow I wanted to add glitters, and you will see how I eventually overdid it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, Sha. So to apply my glitters, I have this silver glitters, and I'm just going to be using my setting spray to just let it stay. I don't want to use glue because at the end of this video, I'm eventually going to wash it off. It's not as if I'm going out. You guys already know I'm a proper introvert. I don't go out like that except for work. So yeah, I'm eventually going to wash it off. Hence, I'm using my setting spray. Well, it will hold, but it will not hold it for so long. Yeah, and I'm dusting it out with my brush because those glitters were just everywhere. I mean, my fan was on and it was going everywhere. We do this thing here where we share a Bible verse in every long form videos to encourage ourselves. And yes, guys, here is the verse of the day. Anyway, after that, I use my eyeliner just to make everything look, nice and cute. This is the final look. What do you guys think? Oh God, I'm so ashamed of myself right now because I knew I could have done better. Like looking at this video by myself. Ah God. I know you people are kind, so let me know what you think. And I'll make sure I see you in my next one.